Forward collision warning systems use a combination of visual and audio alarms to alert you of a situation where your car is closing too fast on a stationary object in front. This might be a parked car, one that's moved out into your path, or it might be that the car in front of you stops unexpectedly. Perhaps someone has run out in front of it. Now, say you're momentarily distracted with your attention somewhere else, be it adjusting the radio or scanning for a parking space. That forward collision alert might be just enough to give you the reaction time you need to take avoiding action. So how do we get the most out of the forward collision warning system? Well, firstly, it's a good idea to adjust the sensitivity of the system. You don't want it going off in everyday driving scenarios. Consult the vehicle's manual or your dealer to see if your car can do this. Secondly, if you can, make yourself familiar with how the system operates, so it doesn't surprise you if it does go off. And remember, you still need to be fully aware of your surroundings and in control of your car, because forward collision warning is just that, a warning. It won't brake for you unless your car also has automatic emergency braking fitted, though this is quite likely. So it's worth knowing whether or not your car has this safety feature as well.